Question number 6. You can see that there is a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter. This is the circular table cover. The radius is 32 centimeter. A design is formed in that circular table cover, leaving an equilateral region in the center. Now they are asking us to find area of this design. Now to find area of the design, when you see that, it is very clear. Area of design is going to be from the area of circle, you are going to subtract area of the equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. If you can do this, the remaining area is going to be the area of the design, because there is no design inside the triangle. That is why we are subtracting area of equilateral triangle. So to find these two, to find area of circle, we have the radius, so we can find it. But to find area of equilateral triangle, we should know what is the measurement of the side of the equilateral triangle, which is not given. So first we are going to find the side measurement. I have drawn, this is going to be the side AB. If we can find AB measurement, then it is easy for us to find area of the equilateral triangle. Now this is an equilateral triangle. You know that all the three sides will have equal measurement. AB is A, BC is A units, and AC is also A units. You know that the median of a triangle will divide the base into two equal halves. Since it is an equilateral triangle, this point D is going to divide BC into two equal parts. So this is going to be half of A. This side is going to be half A by 2. The other side also will be A by 2. Now this is the center point. This is 32. This is the centroid, because it is going to be the meeting point of all the medians. You know that centroid of a triangle will divide the median in the ratio 2:1. That is, we are going to have our OA will be 2/3 of AD. So when you take that 3 by 2 to this side, OA into 3 by 2 will give you the value of AD. Now we know what is OA. It is the radius of the circle. Substituting that, we will have 32 into 3 by 2 equal to AD. So when you cancel 1 times 16 into 3 is 48. Now we have found AD. It is going to be 48 centimeter. Now we have found this measurement. It is 48. Now we are going to substitute this in this right angle triangle. When you see that right angle triangle, you can use Pythagoras theorem, because angle D is 90 degree. So using that, we are going to have AB squared equal to AD squared plus BD squared. Now your AB is nothing but it is the side of the triangle. So it is going to be A the whole squared equal to AD. We just now found out it is 48. So we are going to have 48 squared plus your BD is nothing but it is A by 2. So we are going to have A by 2 the whole square. Now when you expand this, you are going to have A squared equal to 48 squared plus A squared by 4. Bringing that A squared by 4 to this side, we will have A squared minus A squared by 4 equal to 48 squared. Now when you take LCM, you are going to have 4A squared minus A squared divided by 4 equal to 48 square. So we will have 3a squared divided by 4 equal to 48 square. Now your a squared is going to be, a squared will be equal to 48 squared into 4 divided by 3. So your a is going to be square root of this. So we are going to have 48 into 2, because the square root of 48 square is 48, square root of 4 is 2. Then in the denominator we are going to have root 3, because the square root of 3 is root 3. So now we have found a value, it is equal to 48 into 2 is 96. So we have 96 by root 3. Now we finally found the measurement of the side of the triangle. It is 96 by root 3 centimeter. Now we have both the radius and the side of the triangle. Using this we are going to find the area of the design. As we have discussed at the beginning of the problem, area of the design is going to be equal to area of circle minus area of the equilateral triangle. Area of the equilateral triangle ABC. Now we will substitute the formula. Formula for area of circle is pi r square, and the formula for area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. Pi value is 22 by 7, r is 32. So we are going to have 32 into 32 minus root 3 by 4 into 96 by root 3 into 96 by root 3, 168 root 3. So this is the area of the design. We will put centimeter square. Finally the area of the design is equal to 22,528 by 7 minus 768 root 3 centimeter square.